guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm still sick, but I don't know. I'm still making videos. So I can talk loud as I want and however I want. But I can talk louder than that. So today, our blender, we're going to be making a smoothie, but our blender is in the dishwasher and we just couldn't wait because it's almost our bedtime. So we're using this thing. Today's sponsor is Custom. So yeah, that's how we're Hannah? Yeah. Get the order. I'll choose the fruit. Perfect. No, you're not putting an apple. You need to cut the apple so I can get in there. I'll be right back. I'm holding up the light. Anyways, also we're sponsoring Tropicana. And no, but them are ruining. Oh, never mind. We are not sponsoring anything else. We are only sponsoring custom art. Oh, also, if you're wondering why sometimes we make the video in the kitchen and sometimes we make it in our filming studio, it's because she can start. It's because we do our food-related videos in the kitchen. But sometimes they're food. And then we do our ASMR in there because it's quieter. This is just our... These are blue vests. So this is how I make the smoothie. So I usually use strawberry. Read instructions before using. Whatever. Can I get the strawberry? Nothing's going to. Ow! Nothing's going to. So first of all, what you need is this is a tutorial. Make sure to comment down below how you guys make your smoothies. First of all, you need however many raspberries you want. Or raspberries. You want blackberries or blueberries? This is it. You don't want to eat all of them. Close this, baby. Yep. Okay, let's go. Every video, our filming camera falls down because of at least 2 times because of that beast usually. I'm getting a cup. No, don't do that. Oh yes, and these pants. Also, you know my gown, my strawberry gown. If you watch that video, I don't remember which one it was, but if you watched that video, you probably would have saw that I was wearing a strawberry gown. These are my strawberry pants. If you didn't know, my favorite fruit are strawberries. Let me just go up here and get 2 cups. Let me just. Don't even. Sorry if I'm in the way. Okay, so we put on. No, we did that last video. You don't need to do this video. Put that in. 1, 2. Beast. Come on. This is so okay, I'll get down myself. I'm fine. Last. Okay, and then I'm gonna put the Tropicana. No, stop making it fall. Then I can't see my face. I'm going to make it fall. And then we're gonna put the. Well, usually it's not on purpose, but sometimes good, right? It just randomly. That looks like enough, right? Falls down because. Is that too much? Probably, but whatever. Who cares? Well, should we add strawberries though? Should we add strawberries?
Should we add strawberries or not? So what I use for it is yogurt, juice, some kinds of juice. Today we used orange juice and raspberries and blueberries. Sometimes I use strawberries, but today I decided that I wanted to spice it up a bit. So you better watch this video because you guys decided not to watch the other videos and not comment down below.
I'm gonna plug this in. I hope nothing bad happens.
So I had to think
Hannah, will you plug
of
it
what video to make. Oh, it's...
Oh my gosh, get it. It's the bigger side, so it goes in here. This is a dangerous thing.
So this might get loud. If it gets loud and scares me, I might run away. That's what happened last time I made a smoothie.
Anna, come on. There's no volcano. So, it's not.
Beatrice and Stacy has to be in our video. I'm sorry about that interruption!
You think that's good, sweetie?
Yes, don't call me that.
I'm taking it off. What did I do?
Oh my gosh. Put it back there.
Custin, aren't you really bad at designing things? But we're so sponsoring you.
No, they're good at sponsoring things. I mean, they're good at making things. Look how good it made us.
It's so liquidy.
Let me play. You added way too much.
Tropicana? Well, we still have to try it for our fans, right, guys? We're not trying it if you're not our fans.
So as you can see, our...
I think that belongs. Okay, let's drink them up. Oh my god.
I want the owl. No? Okay.
The owl's mine because I put more in it.
If you're wondering,
You made a good choice. This cup tastes really bad.
If you're wondering what this is, it's a tattoo.
Mm.
If you like our videos, make sure to try this.
Custom Art Smart Stick. I suggest these if you don't have a blender. And you can get them for less expensive, I think. I don't know how much we bought this for. But.
And also to finish it off, you need to add some.
So, if you guys liked our video,
make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below.
But if you already did, that's good. And make sure to comment if you use the Custom Art Smart Stick.
Also, make sure to comment down below how you guys make your smoothies and what video we should make in the kitchen next. We love you guys so much. Love. Get out, Stacy.